discussion about the Renishaw reduced machining time for aerospace impeller manufacturing process. Here we are going to discuss how the Renishaw company helped Honeywell to reduce their machining time and cost in the production. So let's we discuss about that. Yes. So someone interact about the Renishaw company.
Good afternoon, sir. Today I will be speaking about the problem statement for Honeywell and how Renishaw give the solution for that. So, Honeywell is the global aerospace leaders. So, they will manufacturing so many things by using the drilling, grinding, turning, shaping. So, one of the components is impeller they manufacture. They use different size from 13 inches to 17 inches. They use materials like titanium or aluminium. So after manufacturing, they transport from Chicago to Phoenix, Honeywell assembly Phoenix. So here's where problems are created. So before assembly, they need to test and analyze each part. So here they use more than $66,900 for testing, and they use 130 joules for that, and it takes too much time, like 60 hours for that. So they need to reduce that because the need was so clear. They reduce the cycling time and while improving its quality. So here Renishaw gives the solution for that.
So the problem is Honeywell is eager to reduce the production time as well as the cost of the simulation.
Yes. So this is where the Renishaw actually steps in. So Renishaw is a British-based engineering company which is mainly based on Watermore Edge, which is currently in England. So Renishaw, what it does is it's basically well best known for its additive manufacturing and precise machining equipments, and it helps the Honeywell company through various ways. First and foremost, it uses the equator gauging system and equator gauging prop system and the additive manufacturing for mass 3D printing and equator gauging system and on-time probing system to measure its defect, and by this reduces the time a lot significantly, and it does this in real-time effect. So you don't have to assemble the parts and disassemble and assemble the parts. It does the object as the whole.
So what are the technical benefits of the Renishaw solution is that the biggest one was it has reduces the machining time up to 50%. So after the Honeywell is manufactured up to like 60 horses, so it has reduces up to 30 horses. So next is that it also reduces the machining time and which is also automated pass inspection and quality check is also seen in that, and also it matches with the compatibility of the aerospace quality checks.
So I'm going to talk about the impacts and the industry relevance. So this gives a great example of industry 4.0 in action. So it is basically integrating real-life impacts into machining. So for aerospace manufacturers, it has lots of benefits like reliable products, low cost and faster turnaround. So it shows how combining manufacturing in the digital platform has improved in the production efficiency.
So from this observation, from the case study, we observed that Renishaw helped Honeywell to solve by 50% of time, around 30 hours, and it also reduced the production cost also. So this is not only done by the traditional one, they are transforming into a digital one, immediate feedback getting from the measured props and solving the problems to the Honeywell. So I thank all the members who have engaged in this case study, understanding the real-time problem faced by aerospace industry like Honeywell and the solution given by the Renishaw. Thank you all.
Thank you.